Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and on this STS we're going to go over how you would replace your battery. So to start with, we're going to want to disconnect the negative battery cable. This one is a little bit of interesting. You just got to press it out of the unlock, and then that widens it open, and then that way you can pop the negative battery cable off. Move that out of the way. Then we've got the positive cable here. This is a 12 millimeter, and we loosen that, and then we'll be able to remove the positive connector. And then we have a connection down here that holds this metal plate that holds your battery in place so that it doesn't slide forward. So that is a size 13. So we loosen and remove that, and once that's removed, you'll be able to pull the battery up and out. Got this cable that's been being smashed under there, so we're gonna, when we put it back in, we're gonna put it back higher up here so it's not gonna get smashed. Okay, so it's just as simple to put the new one back in. Like I said, we're going to want to try to keep this up and out of the way so we don't smash it anymore. So you take a battery, your new one or good used. There we go. We've got that to sit into place, and while it's sitting there, tighten that down, and once that's tight, then we'll be able to hook the positive up. Good and snug. Then we'll be able to put our negative on. And then just twist this clamp until it snaps into that locking position. Put any covers back on that you may have. And that's how you would replace your battery in your 2011 Cadillac STS. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.